In this video we will be discussing about UART. It's a type of communication. For this we are using a Bluetooth module. This is a circuit which I created here. This Bluetooth module is powered with 5 volt and the VBA pin, and there is a ground sound is already that is used. Then we have an RX and X pins on both sides. There is a default word pins are there at the GPA 0 and GPA 1. You can see what 0 is mentioned. We are not going to use this time the word 0, we are going to use the UART 1 over here that is connected to GPU 4 and GPA 5 by default. I just created a circuit like this. You can find that general pin number 6 that is a UART 1 TXP, similarly general pin number 7 that is UART 1 says RXP. We know that RX of the Eco module should connect to the TX and TX of the Eco module should connect to ALX of the Bluetooth module. So that is the way the circuit has been created. Let's look at the code right now. Open Thorny ID. I have tested a set of code. This is the code which I have already saved in my Raspberry Pico. Here I have imported UART module from the machine and I also imported time module. In this set of third line here it is said that we are creating an UART object by calling the UART function. Then 1 means which, what channel we are using. UART channel 0 or UART channel UART. In this case we are using UART channel 1 and the speed of communication that is border. Generally SC5 Bluetooth module will have 9.6 will be the baud rate. Then here by getting a particular value we wanted to automatically switch on one LED. For that I am importing Quinn function from machine. And I created an object LED that is connected to GPA pin number 25. There is an inbuilt LED over here. Now, while to function we are going to read the line from the UART. That's why this comment reliant we have used, and it will be saving to a variable called the data. If I suppose send a character a, then I wanted to make the LED to be on, else I wanted to make it off. That is a simple program over here. For that you need to use some applications to be installed in your phone. For that you can go to Play Store. If you are using Android phone, you can just search for Serial Bluetooth. I just downloaded and installed something called Serial Bluetooth. This is the terminal which you are seeing. Meantime, you must make sure that you have created the circuit. This is my circuit. You can see I have done all the wiring. You can see here in the script Bluetooth module here. It is blinking very fast because this is not paired with any other device like a mobile phone or something like that. Now let me pair it. I have to hold the Bluetooth icon over here. Then click on Bluetooth and switch on the Bluetooth module over here. Then you have to pair this. I have already paired this device. So I can go to previously connected SC5 is showing. Let me forward that device. Let me remove it. So if it is not paired, then the next step is that you can click on Pair New Device. Then it mostly shows HC5 module. Then it will ask a password. Normally the password is 1234, and if you changed manually in the HC5 module, so click on OK. You can find it started pairing till the SC5. It is blinking very fast. That means it is actually shared the passcode and very thing but still not made the proper connection. So we can open our senior terminal app. On that app, there are 3 lines you can see on the left side. Select devices. The 5 is ready to communicate. Click on that. Now it started communicating. Now it's connected. After connecting, you can see the SC50 started blinking very slowly. That means it is made of proper communication. Let's see, here you have an inbuilt LED there that we are going to control right now. So right now that inbuilt LED of condition. I'm going to send character capital letter A. So as per the program, if the data is supposed to be is a character A here, when you come over here, this means this is A by data. And this is the data, and these 2 things. This is for the new line. So these are the details over here. Let me send this data and see what will happen to the inbuilt LED. Let me send it again. The problem was I didn't upload this code into our device. So don't forget to do that. Just rank this code at least. Then you have to send the character. Let me send the character right now. You can see onboard LED right now turned on. Let me send the small letter A. It is not A. We can see which is the character we sent. That is also printing over here right now. Now it is switched on because under the condition whatever it is, we are switching off it again. Let me try with C is received. There is no use because it will not be detecting as character A. Capital letter A can see onboard let's start on. So this is the first step for our automation. By using the UART, you will be able to control the robot. You will be able to control the home automation and all. Make sure that you have uploaded the code sketches provided in the resource folder. Subscribe our channel for more videos.